Oh, you mind if I join you?
It's a free country.
I don't know if you remember me. We were both in Mr. Harrison's biology class last semester.
Yeah, I remember you.
I just wanted to say
See what?
I didn't know Steven, but I'm sorry about what happened.
Yeah, well, what's done is done. Excuse me, I need to read.
It wasn't right.
I know.
I can't imagine what I would do if someone did that to my girlfriend. It's got to be harder when you were.
When you what? When you what?
You know. Different.
You mean gay? You can't even say it, can you?
Look, I was trying to say I'm sorry about what happened to your boyfriend.
He wasn't my best friend. He wasn't my boyfriend, he was my best friend. We just hanged together, that's all.
Oh, sorry, I thought...
You thought what?
I was just trying to say, oh, never mind.
What are you looking at?